Okay, all the other students are requested to mute off your microphone so that we cannot have the disturbance in between our lecture and so that everyone can hear me properly. Okay, thank you. Uh, Now we are going to start the point one in detail, that is introduction to Android. Okay, we have started the discussion of introduction of our syllabus. What is Android? The first questions comes in our mind, that is what is Android? So we have seen in Android, Android is an operating system which is basically used for mobile application development and mobile handling mechanism. And the second thing, it's a open source. It's a open source. Open source means, can you have the any, can anybody can I give the answer regarding the open source? Already we have discussed lots of time in lecture session, but I just want to answer from your side. What is open source?
everyone to access.
Very good. Everyone can access. Next, anything else?
Yes, એને એડિટ બી કરી શકાય.
Very good. That can be editable. Okay, very good. Other?
એકદમ free હોય.
Very good. Okay. It's a free. That means you do not require for any payment mechanism. Okay. It's freely available. Whatever the fundamental that you want to uh, access on a particular technology, that is freely available. You cannot have purchase the license of particular software. So this is called the open source and it is open to everyone. Okay. So now switch it off your microphone. We'll start discussion. Introduction to Android. In introduction to Android, where the first topic is history of mobile software development. Okay. As we have discussed in last lecture, the history of mobile. In history of mobile, that means where the actual mobile phone comes into the market for the particular mobile uses for the client. I request everyone to mute off your microphone. I have just the disturbance. I am listening the disturbance. Okay, the history of mobile software development. That is the way back when. The way back when means in past what we have, what we were, and what we are using. So you can see the context. Remember from here, the way back, a phone was just a phone. That means a phone was just a phone. Only we can have the healthy discussion from too far away people. Just we dial the number, we just call button, press the call button, and the other for persons have ringing the phone. The other person can receive the phone, and we are just the healthy discussion. Whatever the communication would be there, that is just a oral communication between two different people which are the far away from one another. So this is what the purpose of the old phone. We are using phone as a phone, but right now you can see the situation is being totally changed. You can say we are using mobile as an entertainment purpose. We are using a mobile for business purpose. We are using a mobile for surfing purpose. We are using the mobile for social media and account access, and we are using the mobile for the internet purpose and lots of other things that we are supposed to doing by using the mobile phone. So at that time the phone was just a phone, but right now the situation is being changed. This is what the statement of this. Remember, way back when a phone was just a phone, when we relied on fixed landline. Okay, at that time what's happened, only landline would be there. Only landline would be there. Just receive the receiver and dial the paid number and the ringing phone to the other side, and can be called, and communication between two people would be there. Okay, when we run from the phone, instead of pulling it out of our pocket. Okay, ત્યારે શું છે, what happened today is now we have a phone with our pocket. If you want to push, just pull out our phone, dial the number and talk. This is what the things. Those days are long gone. Okay, those days are long gone, they are finished. The days, earlier days would finish. Now the current situation today, commonplace problem such as These are easily solved with one button speed dial or a single text message like WRU, how are you, and 20. This is what the things. Okay, only short message you can do by using your phone. There are some short language messaging mechanism everyone are using. So only short message and only one short dial buttons would be there. If you have done the speed dial, then you can have one key, one press one to dial this number, press two, then dial this number, press three, then dial this contact number. Okay, that also you can fix. So even we cannot dial the particular number, only we just press the particular key of button of your keypad. You are supposed to call the particular phone. So this is what the current scenarios are there. And earlier back, the situation would be that the situation was different, that only we just use phone as a phone purpose. That means to talk between, to pass the message between. Only two things would be there earlier mobile, or even landline. Only talk is there. There is no message communications would be there. So this is what about the history where the mobile phone was not available. Now the next thing is, you can see the word brick, very important. You can see the highlighted content, the brick. As I told earlier, the Motorola Dynatec 8000X model. I have talked this thing earlier in last lecture. The first available phone in market, that is the Motorola Dynatec 8000X. You just remember this model. It may be asked in your examination, what was the first commercially available cell phone available in market? The name was Motorola Dynatec 8000X. Was the first commercially available cell phone, first marketed in 1983. Where? 1983. At that time, maybe I was not born. Okay, before 35 years old, this phone was be invented. The Motorola Dynatec 8000X was the first commercially available cell phone, first marketed in 1983. Okay, you just remember this year, 1983. Now you can see the size. It was 13 into 175 into 3.5 inches in dimension. And as far as the weight of this particular phone is concerned, is 2.5 pound. You can see how heavy this phone is, 2.5 pound, and allow you to talk. Up to how you can talk by using this phone. Okay, to talk for a little more than half an hour. You can see only you can call a particular number to only half an hour. Half an hour is there, then battery will be lost. So the first officially commercially available cell phone comes into the market by the Motorola Dynatec 8000X. The size of this phone in dimension is 30 into 175 into 3.5, and 2.5 pound weight is there. And we can call, or talk time would be half an hour. It retailed for, the price of this phone is, you just see on a screen, the price is dollar. It is in dollar, 3,995. Imagine, who will say the price? If you are converting to the rupees, who will say the price of this phone? Calculate fast. What is the recent rate of dollar? Can anyone can tell? 3,995 dollar. And once you convert this into the rupees, what would be the price in rupees? Can anyone just calculate and give the answer? Fast, I'm waiting. The current dollar rate, I just navigate this thing in my phone, 74.95. $1 is equal to 74.95 Indian rupees. Now we just manipulate this. 3000. I just doing this. If you are not giving the answer, then I have to do this. It's not fair. Okay, 3995
Long guys.
into
Hello, sir.
74.95.
हेलो
Okay. Yes,
हेलो
yes. Tell.
બહુ
Yes, tell
લોંગ
me.
જતો છે અવાજ મતલબ
Hello.
કેલ્ક્યુલેશન તો લોંગ જાય છે हेलो
Yes,
हेलो
yes. Tell me. Tell me.
मे 299 425.5
0.25. Okay.
આગળ છો મતલબ
Two.
299
Two. Okay.
425 point
2,99,425.
point 25 again
0.25. Okay.
Yes. हाँ.
So almost 3 lakh. You can see. Okay. The rate of this particular phone is 3 lakh at that time. એ વખતના 3 લાખ એટલે can you imagine? I'm talking about 1983.
બરાબર
Are you understand? I'm talking about 1983.
But
Rate.
sir, એ વખતે ડોલરની વેલ્યુ ઓછી છે ને.
That's okay. But if we are calculating today's price, then it may
Yes.
be you are right. It may be you are right. That may be પણ આપણા Indian rupees કરતા તો વધારે જશે.
હા એ ખરું.
Okay. હા. So it was retail for અત્યારની આપણે calculation કરીએ તો 3,995 into 74 point something is there. Current particular dollar market is there. Then 3 lakh up to price would be there. Plus hefty monthly service fees and per minute charges. See, agar biju other thing, monthly service fee different and per minute charge. Per minute charges would be there. If you have a SIM card of particular mobile, then per minute charges would be there. And the nickname of that particular mobile that we are talking about, that is a Motorola Dynatec 8000X, was Brick. The Brick એનું બીજું નામ છે Motorola Dynatec 8000X નું nickname છે The Brick. We called it The Brick. You can see here The Brick. We called it The Brick, and the nickname stuck for many of those early mobile phone we alternatively loved and hated. About the size of the brick with the battery power, just long enough for an half a conversation. Only half an hour we can talk, then battery will be gone. We need to again charge it and then calling again. So these early mobile handset were mostly seen in the hands of traveling business executives, security personnel, and the wealthy people, because normal people cannot afford this such kinds of heavy phone. And it would look like this, like a cordless phone. You can see on screen, it would like a cordless phone, like mobile devices. You can see the antenna would be there, the dial pad is there, another like a cordless phone. Okay. Now the other mechanism, that is a wireless application protocol, WAP. Have you heard this earlier? Wireless application protocol. Yes or no? Okay. So WAP is basically used for mobile devices to access the internet. Okay. Earlier, when the smartphone was not there, and if you want to access the internet in our dial pad mobile, at that time the small screens mobiles would be there. So for the purpose of displaying the whole website in a small screen in mobile, that is very difficult and it is very heavy to load, and sometimes mobile would be hang. So what happened, a particular a particular website companies have developed separate website for the web extension, web.google.com, web.gmail.com, web.xyzdomain.com. specifically for the mobile access purpose. So this protocol is known as wireless application protocol. Okay, so as it turned out, allowing direct phone access to the internet didn't scale well for mobile. If website is there, heavy loaded website, heavy image websites, heavy animation websites are there, and that particular website, if you want to open in your mobile devices which have a small screen, so it is very difficult to open then surf that particular whole site in a mobile screen. Okay, so by this time professional website were full color and full of text, images and other sort of media. These sites relied on JavaScript, Flash and other technologies to enhance the user experience, and they were often designed with the target resolution of 800 by 600 pixel and higher. Okay, so when the first clamshell phone, that means a Motorola StarTech, was released, second, in 1996, another Motorola phone would be started. That is a StarTech. The name was StarTech, released in 1996. It merely had an LCD 10-digit segmented display. Okay. First mobile J2, whatever the first mobiles are, they do not have any screen, as you seen. These are not a screen. Okay. But after that, the new platform would be generated by the Motorola. New phone comes into the market which have only 10-digit segmented display, only 10 digit. Later model would add a dot matrix type display. Okay, dot matrix type means dotted displays would be there. If you have a dot matrix print is there, then all the text would be printed in a group of dots. Okay, like this. Meanwhile, Nokia. Okay, after that Nokia comes into the picture. Okay, first officially mobile development company is what? Motorola. After that, Nokia comes into the picture for releasing their first slider phone. The name was 811. Model number is 8110. Fondly referred as the Matrix phone. Its nickname was what? The Matrix phone. And because the phone was heavily used in films, only film industries people are using this phone. That's why it's called as a Matrix phone. The 8110 could display 4 line of text with 13 character per line. Okay, this is the capacity of displaying particular line as a text. How many? 4 line of text with 13 character per line. Okay. Okay, I just want to confirmation that the screen is properly visible to you. Everyone can easily read whatever the text would written over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
it's personally advised to all of you that you just rotate your screen so that maximum utilization of your screen would be there for the screen saving. Okay, if you are a portrait, then only half screen you will be available. If you portrait your if you landscape mode, your mobile rotation would be there, then it will have the much more clarity and much more screen visibility on you on your phone. Is there?
Yes, sir.
તમે એને રોટેટ કરશો તો તમને આખું ફૂલ સ્ક્રીન નું એક્સેસ મળશે. અધરવાઇઝ તમે
હા, અમે
પોર્ટ્રેટ
રોટેટ
મોડમાં
જ કરીએ છીએ.
રોટેટ કરો આખી સ્ક્રીનમાં દેખાય છે ને?
હા, આખી સ્ક્રીન.
Okay, can you please send me the pics so that I can check it out whether it is properly or not?
ઓકે, સર.
મને એક સ્ક્રીનશોટ મૂકજો. Okay, good, very good. Now the next point is proprietary mobile platforms. Which are the other proprietary mobile platforms are there? Which are the other companies are there that we have that they have developed the mobile proprietary platforms? So writing robust application with web. Okay, web we have discussed. Wireless application protocol. Generally we are using as a protocol web for the mobile access, such as graphics intensive video games was nearly impossible. Okay, if you are using the web protocol and if you are using the limited access of mobile, at that time heavy loaded game videos is not possible to run on your mobile by using the mobile limitation. The 18 years old to 15-year-old sweet spot demographic, the kid with the disposable income most like to personalize their phone with wallpaper and ringtones. Okay, we can put the wallpaper and ringtone earlier. Now handset manufacturers realize that if they wanted to continue to sell traditional handset, they needed to change their protectionist policies pertaining to handset design and expose their internal framework to some extent. That means what? They have decided if and they have realized that if they wanted to continue sell the traditional handset, then we need to improve something in our phone, otherwise will not be stay in market. So we need to put some kinds of innovative ideas in our mobile devices development or manufacturing, so that the maximum people or maximum society people, those who cannot afford the high prices phone, can access the phone. A variety of different proprietary platforms emerged, and developers are still actively creating the application for them. The mobiles are developed, but if the applications are not there, then they are the, as I told earlier, if developer is not there, if mobile application is not there, then the mobile is meaningless. So to develop the particular mobile, you need to develop the particular mobile application, we need to be very frankly with the programming language, those who are supported with the particular language programming with mobile. Okay, some smartphone device run palm os. Okay, means whatever the phones are different, companies are different, and they are following their own operating system. Okay, so the same thing, some smartphone devices run palm os, now Garnet OS and RIM BlackBerry OS. BlackBerry, if you are using the BlackBerry phone, then BlackBerry has its own OS, BlackBerry OS. Sun Microsystem took a popular Java platform, that is J2ME, Java 2 Micro Edition, emerged now known as a Java Micro Edition, Java ME. Then chipset maker Qualcomm developed and licensed its binary runtime environment for wireless, that is a Brew, BREW. Other platform such as Symbian, which is basically used by the Microsoft phone. If you are using the Microsoft phone, then the OS would be Symbian OS, where Apple uses the iPhone OS, OS X iPhone, then joined the rank in 2008. And iPhone X is launched into 2008. For figure 1.4 shows several different phones, all of which have different development platform. You can see these are the various different mobile companies handset look like phone is there. Okay, so this is what about the various phone structure is there. Various models are there. Some have keypad plus screen, some have a touch screen, like this. Okay, so this is what the snaps of mobile devices, and various companies mobiles are there. Now very important things that we have lots of discussion yesterday, we have healthy discussion yesterday regarding open handset alliances. Okay, it's also known as, in short you can say, OHA. Okay, might be asked in your examination whether in a full form or short form OHA, and the full form is open handset alliances. Now Google goes wireless. Okay, earlier Google is known as for the search engine mechanism only. Okay, Google has developed the search engine first. Google is identified earlier was only the search engines, but nowadays you can see Google how progress done by the Google. There are lots of other products of Google comes into the market, and there are lots of applications and service will given by the Google. Earlier we are only using Gmail as a search engine or for the Gmail account only, but right now there are lots of other things are there. Google have developed the cloud, Google have developed the drive, Google have developed the photos, and there are lots of YouTubes and lots of things done by the Google up till now. So Google goes wireless. The company's initial forays into mobile were beset with all the platform you would expect. The freedoms internet user enjoyed were not shared by mobile phone subscriber. Okay. Internet user can choose from the wide variety of computer brand, operating system, internet service providers, and web browser platform. Okay. So this is what about the things that we need to put in our mind, that we require three things: subscribers, internet user, and various computer brand, operating system, and internet service provider, and the web browser. Without this, we cannot go wireless. Okay. If you want to use the wireless phone mechanism, then a particular mobile phone consists of various things that we described here. Okay. Now the forming the open handset alliance. ક્યારે form થયો? Where it is formed? Open handset alliance. That is also important. The open handset alliance, short form is there, OHA. Open handset alliance, OHA, was formed in November 2017. Can remember this date, November 2017. For which purpose? To answer that very question. Okay, to answer that very question: how we can use the internet, how we can use the very much mobile subscriber, how we can use the computer brand, how we can use the various operating systems, how we can use the service provider, and how we can use the various browsing applications in a single phone. So the same question would be arise in this particular OHA, which is formed in November 2007. To answer that very question, the OHA is what? The OHA is a business alliance comprised of many of largest and most successful mobile companies on the planet. Okay, it's a group of largest, most successful mobile companies on the planet. Its member include, which are the various companies are there, which is comes together and make and form this OHA. Its members include chip maker, those who are developing the chip, those who are market the chip, and those who are expert to develop and invent the new chip maker companies. And second, handset manufacturer companies. Okay, they design the model. Right now, people are very much frankly with the handset. Okay, if new handset comes into the market, then they sell the older one and purchase the newer one, because they have what they want, attractive handset for various models. So this is also very important. If you want to attract the customer, if you want to attract the subscriber, then you need to implement the certain new thing into particular mobile devices, like look, color, and very attraction. There are lots of phones are available which have a very attractive color, so people are like that particular things. Okay, then this is what about the handset manufacturer. Then software developer like us, we all are the software developer. Okay, without this developer, you cannot access the phone properly, right? Because can anybody tell me because why software developers are important? Can anyone? No one? Okay. So software developers are very, very much useful personal, because we are developing the application which is used by some other people, which is in your mobile. Without the application, we cannot talk with the phone. As per same thing, without operating system, we cannot communicate the phone. Same as without the software application, we cannot communicate the phone. If you want to do something, you require the application. So the importance of software developers comes into very important role in mobile application development. So software developers are frequently launches the new applications which is there in your in market. What is the needy applications are there, they already make the application and put into the mobile handset. so that we can access the software or application which is specifically built for a particular mobile devices. And service provider, second is what? Service provider. I have discussed this thing again. Service provider is nothing but the SIM card. Okay, service provider agencies like which provides you the SIM card like Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, Geo, etc., etc. Okay, the entire mobile supply chain is well represented. Okay, all these various companies, people, and expert companies and organizations come together and form OHA, that is Open Handset Alliance, in November 2007. Okay, now go ahead. It's very important line is there. Andy Rubin, you can see on screen. Andy Rubin. Who is this? Andy Rubin has been credited as father of Android platform. Very important question. If you want to note it down, then note it down. Okay, mind well. You are supposed to keep notebook and pen with you. If you feel that something is being important and required to note it down, then just note it down. Okay, so that later on if you want to refer, I will provide the material, no doubt, but if you want to focus on a particular topic or a full form, then you can just note it down on your note and pen, so that later on if you want to revise the content, then it can be very much helpful to you to revise. So this person is known as the father of Android platform. The name is Andy Rubin. I repeat, Andy Rubin has been credited as father of Android platform. His company, Android Incorporation. Okay, the company name is what? Android Company. The owner of this company, Android Incorporation, is Andy Rubin, and it is also known as the father of Android platform. Was acquired by Google in 2005. After that, it was collaborated by the Google in 2005. Earlier, the name was Android Incorporation, which is developed by the Andy Rubin, and he is known as the father of Android. In 2005, it collaborated by the Google. Okay, working together, OHA member including Google began developing a non-proprietary open standard platform based upon technology developed at Android Incorporation. Okay. Now the company Android Incorporation has started working and to think about it. Which are the various companies are there, comes under the category of OHA member. Okay. They think that how we can give people to a cheapest mobile with the latest configuration and all other things. Okay. So that would aim to alleviate the aforementioned problems hindering the mobile community. The result is Android project. Okay. After that, the result would be there. They have some healthy discussion. Okay. They have a written issue. How a normal person can buy a particular mobile with the latest configuration and the latest application and the cheapest price. So how it can be solved? So they have started as a result Android project. To do this day, most Android platform development is completed by Rubin's team at Google. Okay, Rubin's and its team members have started the project, Android project, and working on that and developed the completed by Rubin's team at Google, where he acts as a VP, Vice President of Engineering and manages the Android platform roadmap. Okay, now the manufacturers, mobile operators, these two are the very important personnel. Manufacturers, what they are doing, they are designing the Android handset. Okay, as I told, designing the handset is very important because based on that, people are purchasing the mobile for their designing and color. More than half the member of the OHA are handset manufacturers. You imagine that? More than half. That means અડધા કરતા વધારે. persons or companies are a handset manufacturer કે જે handset manufacturers કરે છે. Why? Can anyone give the answer? Anyone? Are you hearing me properly or not?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, હા બોલતા રહો તો ખબર પડે કે યુ આર ઓનલાઈન, અધરવાઇઝ મને એવું તો નહીં લાગતું હું પોતે જ છું. ઓકે, more than half, you can imagine, more than half a member of OHA are handset manufacturers such as Samsung, Motorola, HTC and LG, and some semiconductor companies such as Intel, Texas Instruments, NVIDIA, okay, NVIDA, and Qualcomm. These companies are helping designing the first generation of Android handset. First generation of Android handset. Okay, 13, 12 students are online recently. Okay, all are requested, don't leave the meeting until the present attendance done by me. Okay, if I forget, you all are requested, kindly intimate me to remember or remind me for taking the attendance. Well, we are talking about the manufacturers. More than half of the members of OHA are handset manufacturers. I have asked the question to you, but you haven't given and responded the answer of this particular questions. Okay, no problem. I will answer the question. Why more than half companies are handset manufacturer? Because the customer's requirement is frequently changed to change the mobile devices due to only their handset. If some new handset comes into the market, the mentality of persons would be changed. Yeah, this is old, I have to buy the new phone. નવું માર્કેટમાં આવી ગયો છે અને સારું દેખાય છે, એ તો લેવું જ પડે. Okay, like this. So that's why 50% of peoples of manufacturers are handset manufacturer. 50% વધારે તો હેન્ડસેટ મેન્યુફેક્ચરનું કામ જ એ છે કે નવા નવા મોડલો માર્કેટની અંદર અપલોડ કરતા જવાનું અને પીપલ્સ અને બધા સોસાયટીમાં પુટ કરતા જવાનું અને પીપલ્સ આર using that particular phone. So maximum load would be for the handset manufacturers. New devices comes into the picture, new designing, new color and all these things. People are like this. People wants the change, and that's why more than half of people are handset manufacturer. They have listed the company like Samsung. Okay, you know that there are lots of models are available for Samsung. Okay, all you knows that. Okay, there are lots of mobiles available for Samsung with the new designing. Motorola itself have lots of other models are there. HTC has a model, LG has a model, and some semiconductor companies, chipset companies such as Intel, Texas Instruments, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm. These companies are helping design the first generation of Android handset. Okay. Now, the second is mobile operators. Second is what? Mobile operators, and they are delivering the Android experience. They are delivering the Android experience. Without mobile operator, we cannot have the access the Android experience, because after you have the phone, you have to get them out of the user. Okay, what am if you have purchased the phone, then you have to get out of the to the user. Mobile operators from North, South, and Central America, Europe, Asia, India, Australia, Africa, and the Middle East have joined the OHA, ensuring a worldwide market for the Android movement. You can say that I have told earlier in the introduction and the very first lecture, I have told to you 75% of all over the world, the people are using Android phone. Why? Because you can see this. It is spread from North, South, Central America, Europe, Asia, India, Australia, Africa, and Middle East have joined the OHA. So all the countries have joined the OHA, Open Handset Alliance. That's why it's spread among all the world. That's why the increase of the mobile access of Android would be increased up to 75 percentage. Only 25 percentage users are using some other companies, some other mobile like BlackBerry OS, iPhone OS, and other. 75 percentage of user are using Android devices. So you can understand how the Android market is there worldwide. And if you want to make your career in Android, it is very much, you can say that you have a very much opportunity to make your career in Android. So ensuring a worldwide market for the Android movement with almost 500 million subscriber alone, California giant China, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. ओके, ટેલિફોની ચાઇના મોબાઈલ. ઓકે, સૌથી પહેલા એકદમ ચીપેસ્ટ મોબાઈલ આપવા વાળું કોણ હતું? ચાઇના. ઓકે, lots of mobile companies have reduced their prices due to the price of China mobiles that income. No guarantee. Okay, here we are using the term no guarantee. Okay, so telephony giant China Mobile is founding member of the alliances. Okay, now taking advantage of all Android has to offer. What they offer? Android's open platform. Android open platform. Here they provide the open source platform. Anybody can download the Android platform if they are able to edit it. If they are the developer, they can download the Android platform. They can download the particular SDK, software development kit. If they want to make their particular own application, then okay, own application done, and then sell this particular thing. So it's an Android open platform has been embraced by much of the mobile development community, extending far beyond the member of the OHA. Okay, so this is what about the OHA, that is called Open Handset Alliances. Okay, we'll see this last topic, that is Android platform differences, and after that we'll finish our lecture, and we'll give the other lecture to start the lecture, So Android platform differences. Android platform differences. You can see here there is three terms is defined over here: complete, open, and free. Okay, so very important. Okay, it may be asked in your examination. Android is known as complete, open, and free. Okay, justify your answer. Like this, such kinds of question would be asked in your examination, and then you are able to give the answer. So the answer is the Android is hailed as the complete, open, and free mobile platform. Complete, open, and free mobile platform. Now what does it complete? What does mean it complete? You can see here the designers took a comprehensive approach when they develop an Android platform. Okay, when they develop the Android platform, they have think in all the direction. They have think all the expectation, all the development criteria side, all the you can say options they have planned and designed the Android platform. They begin with the secure operating system. They begin with the secure operating system and build a robust software framework on top that allows for rich application development opportunities. Okay, three terms are there. First is the secure operating system. Second, software framework, robust software framework, and rich application development. By comprising these all three, it makes a Android as a complete structure. It makes as a complete structure. So this is what very important. Okay, three terms I repeat: secure operating system, that is Android. Okay, then robust software framework that we are using, Android framework, and a particular application that is made in Android, that is a rich application development opportunities. Okay, it will provide you the application development mechanism, and that is opportunity for all of you. Okay, all of you, those who are using the Android, because it's a free. Anyone can access, and anyone can download, and anyone can code the Android application. Anyone can code the Android application. So this is very important concept which comes in our mind, and we can have the idea that the Android is known as a very complete structure available into this particular freely available into the market. Now open. Now second thing is there, open. Open means it's open for everybody. It's open for everybody. The Android platform is provided through open source licensing. Okay, open source licensing. Okay, a very first question I have asked to you regarding open source, and you have given the right answer actually. All you have given the right answer regarding to this particular question. Okay, the question is what? What is open source? What is open source? So open source means you have given the right answer at that time. Open source means you are supposed to uh, buy a particular platform, then you need to give the license of this particular with the payment of some rupees. But if you are going through the open source, that it is freely available. So that is what the advantage of using such kinds of technology which is freely available into market. That is a open. The Android platform is provided through open source licensing. Developers have unprecedented access to the enhanced features when developing application. Okay, if you want to develop your application, then you can download freely, you can use it, and you can develop your own application. So that doesn't make any sense, and easily you can make your application at any time, at your home, at your workplace, and wherever you are. If you have the mobile devices, if you have the laptop, PC, then you can run and check the particular applications that you have developed for the mobile application development. And the last thing, that is a free. That is a free. Okay, as I told, it's a freely available. It's a freely available. You are not supposed to pay a single amount of rupees to buy the license of Android platform actually. Okay, so it's a free. That means Android applications are free to develop. Okay, you have not given any charge to Android to develop application or to buy the SDK, software development kit. It will freely available on official website of and developer.android.com. You can refer if you want to write down the website. All the new version, all the latest update, all the latest studio will freely available on this particular website, developer.android.com. Okay, you just navigate this particular website, then each and everything, whatever the new things comes into the market and update version is there, then you can inform by the Android. Also in that particular website, lots of videos, lots of new concepts, sample applications, all these things are freely available into this particular website. You can access as a developer. Okay, so all are kindly requested to check this particular website and get your knowledge updated with the Android technology. Okay, so it's a free, that is Android applications are free to develop. There are no licensing, no royalty fees to develop on the platform, no require membership fee, no require testing fee, no require signing for or certification fees or any certification fees. Now Android applications can be distributed and commercialized in a variety of ways. Okay, now see, this is the official logo of Android. All you knows that all you knows, and remember that this is the official logo of Android. Okay, like robot. Okay, figure 1.5, the Android mascot. અને logo નહીં કહેતા આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ Android ની લેંગ્વેજમાં? Mascot, MASCOT, and logo. Okay, this is Android mascot. જે green color નો દેખાય છે, that is Android mascot, and the blue color માં જે Android લખેલું છે ANDROID with different font is called logo of Android. Okay, So this is what about the, and these are the various version. Okay, our book is old, so it is covered up to 2.2 Froyo. Okay, last time in last lecture we have seen up to A2, P, A2, P. All the versions that we are doing. They are this just this snapshot which comes into the market. That is the Android logo with their code name, Android, some Android SDK and their code name. First a Cupcake, Android 1.5, then Donut, Android 1.6. Okay, A and B is not covered. As I told earlier, A, alpha and beta is not comes officially into the market. It is only for just for the experiment purpose. But the first Android version comes officially into the market for the people, for the programmer, for the developer is Android Cupcake. That is Android 1.5. After that 1.6, that is a Donut. Okay, and then after Eclairs 2.0 or 2.1, and then Froyo 2.2, and so on. There are lots of other things are there, but it is not covered in this book. But we'll discuss in later on in detail. Okay, so this is what about the things. Okay, now in next lecture we'll start with the detailed discussion of Android platform. Detailed discussion of the Android platform. Okay, so all are again requested tomorrow sharp 10 o'clock. Okay, if you have any problem,